Y'all, I had to just start the video because I was contemplating. I'm like, I don't know if I want to do this video right now, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's calm down. Alright, you guys. The thing is, right, when I start my videos, I feel like I be trying to sound like energetic and super happy, and I realized I don't like starting my channel like that. It just kind of seems forced, overdone. Like, bitch, why are you so happy like all the time? That's so annoying. I guess that's just my personality. Like, what the hell am I gonna do? Gonna like act like somebody else? I can't do that. I gotta act like myself. Okay guys, so here's the thing. So I'm gonna be talking today about it's a weird topic because I've had my channel for almost 2 years now. You guys know when I first started, like, I wasn't consistent at all. I didn't really upload that much, and what I did upload, I feel like it honestly sucked. So I decided that I was going to, oh my gosh, see, once I start playing with my hair I can't stop. I decided that I was gonna make a video today, all about me video. I've never done an all about me video, so I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and do an all about me video, letting you guys know all about me, right? I'm gonna do 25 facts about me. Do you guys even care that much? Like, I thought it'd be interesting since I've never done a video like this before, and I'm just like, let me see what I can round up for y'all, because I'm a very interesting person. A lot of people know this, a lot of people don't know this, but I think, personally, I think I'm just interesting. I'm very interesting. So I'm basically picking from a list of like a bunch of different questions, and I'm just gonna pick like the fun ones. This first question is like, what is your full name? A lot of people don't know that my real name is Shanae. The people that don't know me, who are actually subscribed to my YouTube channel, will probably not know that my real name is Shanae. A lot of people don't know that. But my pet name growing up, I'm Jamaican. I'm from the West Indies. Fuck, why am I even saying that? Everybody knows what the fuck Jamaica is. I'm from Jamaica. I was born in Jamaica, Westmoreland, Jamaica. Growing up, my parents would call me Krystal. Like, that was my pet name, you know? And a lot of people don't understand the term pet name, but basically it's a name given to you and your family calls you this one name, but it has nothing to do with your first name. When people say like where did Krystal come from? Like, who is Chris? Who is Krystal? And kind of like explain, like when I explain it, it's kind of confusing, but it's basically a pet name that was given to me. My entire family calls me Krystal. A part of me kind of feel like I have two sides of me too. Like, I feel like there's a Krystal and there's a Shanae. Like, where do I live? I go back and forth from New York to Philadelphia because I go to school in Philly. So yeah. What is my favorite drink and what is my favorite food? Favorite drink, I don't really have a favorite drink. I don't really know. But what I do drink all the time that stays in my refrigerator is probably cranberry juice. 100% cranberry juice, not that fake cocktail crap that be out there. Don't drink that, actually, guys. That's not good for you. And for my favorite food, oh boy, I don't know, man. Food is like my life. I love food so much. I don't know what I would do if I had like a condition or like a disease or something that like wouldn't allow me to eat ever again. Like, I would just rather be dead. I would have to go with curry goat. I love curry goat with rice and peas. What's your favorite ways to pass time? Favorite way to pass time would have to be watching like binge watching something, like a series that I'm into at the moment, or watching YouTube videos or interviews. I really like watching interviews. It doesn't have to be like a celebrity or anything, but like I'm always watching the Breakfast Club interviews online. Am I scared of heights? No, until I get up somewhere high. My favorite snack has to be Haribo gummy bears. I eat those all the time. Am I a dog person or a cat person? I think this is a really interesting question because I don't know what to call myself. Living in Jamaica with my dad, we had a lot of dogs. We had about 7 dogs. And obviously I had a thing, I had a thing for dogs when I was younger. Still do have a thing for dogs. Like, I want to get a dog, but I feel like where I am right now, I don't really have the time to maintain a dog. So I'm thinking about just getting a kitten. So I'm thinking about that, but I do want a French bulldog. A little like cute one. Oh my god, I have a picture of this French bulldog on my phone. I look at it all the time to remind me of my dog goals. Those of you guys who don't know what a French bulldog look like, this is what they look like, and I think they are the cutest thing ever. They are so freaking cute. Like, what? But you know what? I'm definitely a dog person, because that was that question. Something besides like makeup and hair and cosmetology and everything that I'm gifted at, I would say I don't think I have any more talents. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. I do, a lot of people don't know that I do like nails, like tips and stuff. A while back I used to do them, but that's cosmetology, so I don't really know if that makes sense. I know how to do it all, okay, when it comes to cosmetology. Nails, manicures, pedicures, hair, makeup. I know how to wax eyebrows. I know how to wax down there. I know a lot. I know a little too much, actually, because I'm not licensed for any of this stuff. I just learn it on my own for my own self-efficiency, okay? Something else I say I'm good at would be writing. When I was younger, I used to write poetry. As I got older, I kind of like didn't anymore. No, it's something that I kind of like put on the back burner because I go to school as well, so it's kind of like once you're done with school work and all that writing for that, it's like I don't even pay attention. Like, I don't even want to do that. I don't want to write anymore. Like, I don't want to write anything anymore. Like, I'm tired of writing at this point. You know what I'm saying? So I don't even like, be paying too much attention to it, but really I should be, because I used to really like writing whatever it was, stories, poetries, and even when I did do schoolwork back then, I feel like I had fun with it. Now I'm in grad school and it's just not fun anymore. Like, at this point, it's too much. What's something that I look for in a partner? The things I guess I would look for in a relationship would be, or not even in a relationship, just in a partner, somebody that I consider to be my second half. It's obviously going to be a reflection of myself, right? I mean, that would only make sense mathematically, technically, literally, and theoretically. So anyway, I feel like, for my second half, I want them to have attributes that I hold dear. Respect, honesty, morals, integrity, and loyalty. Those are like my top 5 things. I say this because a lot of people kind of overlook those things. They might sometimes compromise themselves into thinking like, oh, they don't really have to have, they don't really have to be respectful if they're honest, or they don't really have to have integrity if they're loyal to me. And it's just kind of like, I don't compromise those 5 things. Uncompromisable. Oh, and you know what? Let me not sound boring and like, cause the person to me, like, they have to make me laugh too. Like, you have to make me laugh. Like, what is the best compliment you've ever received? I want to say the best compliment I've ever received was from a celebrity, and I was like freaking, I felt amazing. Like, I felt amazing, and it wasn't just any celebrity. It was like one of my favorite celebrities. There was one year in New York, we have like this thing called Fashion Night Out. I went to the Billionaire Boys Club store. Me and my friends, like, we went there, and I was like freaking, I think I was like one of the first few people in line or whatever. So I was like hype, okay? This is a whole story time at this point. Like, what the hell? Like this video, give me a thumbs up if y'all want to see, if y'all want to know this story time. But I mean, it's not really even a story time. Let me just tell it real quick. Fuck it. So we was at the Billionaire Boys Club store, and you see how I got so excited? That's how much I love this person. Like I couldn't even believe I was standing next to Pharrell. Like, I freaking love Pharrell. I woke up, it's my turn to take a picture, so I take a picture with him. I don't even, my computer is disrespectful as hell. Like, how did it just, I just can't. Like, and it's Cardi B too. It's our turn to take the picture, and I go up to him, and I'm fucking shaking, okay? I'm freaking shivering. I'm like, not like that, but I'm like shivering inside. He's like, what's your name? And I was like, Krystal. And he was like, are you in school? I was like, yeah, I go to school. I'm in high school. I should have never said that. Why did I say that? He goes, you have beautiful skin. I was like, thank you. Brethren, when I tell you, I was like, I felt so satisfied, like, and I'm looking at his skin, and I'm just like, that nigga's skin is beautiful too. Like, to be honest, I feel like that's why I got into skincare and makeup so heavy, because when I saw that man's skin, I was like, that's the goals right there. Like, his skin in real life looked amazing. That was the best compliment ever. Like, my favorite physical feature of myself would probably be my cheekbones. I used to hate my cheekbones when I was younger, but that was because I used to feel like I looked like a boy, like I looked like a man, or I had like manly features. So I used to hate them, but now I grew into them, and now I love them. They're amazing. I love them. And I'd say my skin, like Pharrell did. Yeah. Pharrell, if you see this, let me know. Do you have any birthmarks? When I was born, my whole like back was blue. My mom said my whole back was blue, including my ass. She said it was blue and very dark, and she thought that was gonna be my birthmark. And it kind of faded as I got older, and then it completely faded, and then it left this little mark in the back of my back. In the back of my back. It left this little mark on my back, and that's my birthmark. Do you have any allergies? Growing up, I wasn't allergic to anything, but as I got older, I started becoming allergic to milk. It made me very sick. Everything actually is not even only milk. I don't want to even blame just the milk. It was the dairy that I was drinking. It started making me very sick. I started getting like diarrhea all the time. Every time I would eat something with dairy, I used to go straight to the bathroom. Like, I would not waste no time. Like, I would go straight to the bathroom right after. It just ran through me. Like, I don't know. But it made me sick, so I just kind of cut it out of my diet, and now I only eat like small amounts of dairy, and it's usually in certain things. I replaced my milk with almond milk, but I started just eating less of certain things. I still love ice cream, I can't get rid of it. I still love cheese, I can't get rid of it, but I eat limited amounts of it. What's my biggest fear? God. Like, God is the only one that has control and power to do amazing things in your life. The only person that has the power and control to take things away in your life. The only person that knows the beginning to the end, to the, you know, ongoing. So that's the only man I fear. When was the last time you gotten in a fist fight? I'm not a fighter, okay? But the last time I got in a fist fight was with my ex-best friend in college. It was like my sophomore year or my junior year. No, my sophomore year. And it was over something stupid. Honestly, it's a funny story. Like, if you guys want to know the story, like this video and let me know in the comments, and I'll post it. It's like a funny story. I am a goofball. Like, that's something that a lot of people don't know. I'm really a goofball, and I play all day, and I wonder why no one takes me seriously. Loving person. I'm actually like one of the sweetest people that you could probably ever meet in your life, because I'm just like so sweet. Like, once you get to know me. Something that a lot of people don't know about me though, like, I'm very shy when I first meet you. Depending on how I'm feeling that day, I'm usually more than likely like super reserved, and I don't really speak unless I kind of get the vibe of the situation and the surroundings that I'm in. But if I don't really like the vibe, I'm not gonna really, you know, involve myself and like talk, because I'm not feeling the vibe, you know what I'm saying? If I like, you know, what's going on, and I like the kind of people that I'm around, and I could fuck with it, then I'm gonna fuck with it. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Y'all nosy as fuck, okay? Because I don't got nothing else to talk about. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and let me know, like, if you kind of like this video, like, let me know, give me suggestions down below on something else I could do for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.